I'd like to welcome back with us once again. We've got Joe Coleman from those Callaways, and of course I'm always bragging about those Callaways because whether you're buying or selling your home, you definitely need to be talking to them because they're going to make life easier on you. But Joe, what house do you have to tell us about today?
We have a fabulous, another, of course, magic zip code property on Tierra, Buena. It's a beautiful property. It's almost 2,000 square feet. It's got 2.5 bathrooms and a powder room downstairs, which is great. Remodeled kitchen, updated flooring throughout. It's got a wonderful master retreat. And then the backyard is probably the best part of the house because it's got a wonderfully large grass area and then a great sort of walled off side area, which just has so many uses. It's got RV gates. It goes front to back on the property. It's just a wonderful space, and the yard is fabulous. It's just really a home that you have to come see.
And I have to ask, because it's in my favorite zip code, what's the price for something like this?
It's only $650, which for that much square footage in the neighborhood that it's in, it's just a wonderful property. And we love our 85254 houses, and so it's going to be a busy open, and you have to come by and see it. And
because it is, as we joke around, that it is the magic, because obviously it's a Scottsdale address with Phoenix taxes. I mean, there's so many benefits to it. Those houses, I'm sure, do go pretty fast.
They do, yeah. They tend to be pretty sought after, and this is in Spanish Wells, which is a sought after subdivision in a sought after zip code. So it's really going to be something that's going to move pretty quickly.
All right, well, people need to jump on this one right away, and if not, I know you're going to help them find something else for them.
Absolutely, especially in 85254. Give us a call whether you're buying or selling. We know the whole zip code top to bottom, and we'd be happy to help.
All right, well, thank you.
Thank you.